Hi everyone, I'm happy to share my experience today in this CLO forum on the topic of learning and gig economy. As all of you would know that in the past few years, we have seen exponential growth in few industries. And if we really ponder for a minute and understand which industries have grown, it's the data which talks it all. For example, if you look at, a US alone, there has been 43% increase in the gig workforce. If I look at a UK 2016 to 19, the gig economy has almost doubled. As per Gallup, there would be 63% people who would be moving into the gig economy workforce going forward. Now, the question is, what is this gig all about? Uh, when we look at the various evolutions, when we moved from industrial revolution to technological revolution, one of the things which really became an upsurge was it is the idea which is powerful. It are the people who are carrying out those ideas are really creating big empires and businesses, and it slowly started creeping in. And as a consumer, we saw the experience of Ola, Uber, Airbnb, and all that. So it was all the gig economy, which was just connecting various data points and making things happen. Now, what is important for us to understand is that why is learning so important in gig economy? The fundamental difference between the erstwhile era of technology, industry, and today's era of technology is in industrial era, you had to really have enough infrastructure, machines, and everything in place to really make things happen. In gig, it's the people, their intellect, their ideas, and rest falls in place because then there is an ecosystem which is created for them to move forward. So, what really becomes here important is how is our young workforce really adapting with this change? And one of the key things for adaptation is learning. And I would call this current pandemic, I would say a mini lab because we cannot learn better than experience. Though gig came with a lot of promises, it did came with a lot of challenges as well because we were used to very command and control ecosystem in the past. And gig was talking about freelance, it was talking about value, it was talking about working at your own pace. So there were certain resistances in the industry about how to really react to this new age era economy as well as to this new workforce. And these myths got really, I would say, challenged when we saw the pandemic pushing us to work virtually and remotely across the world. It pushed us to focus on the value creation rather than activities. So I think that made it the adaptation much faster. Now, what has happened is that people's mindset has got tuned to this economy, but at the same time, it is demanding us for new skill sets, which means we need to really learn how to create various collaborations. We really need to learn how to use technology to the best of its advantage. We need to learn how to create experiences while using technology and not maybe meeting people face to face. We also need to look at what can be the possible business models which can come up in the future and not existing today. And our learning curve needs to be much faster than past. So if we look at all these things, they need learning. And the people who would be really successful would be one who will shorten their adoption curve. And thanks to pandemic, it has done a bit of it. Second is who learn fast, who fail fast, and who correct themselves and move forward. So I think that would really play a very important role. And thankfully, what is happening in the industry is that we have enough knowledge platforms to learn on the things which we are not aware about. So the faster we pick up on these technologies, the faster we pick up on the collaboration tools, the faster we pick on any other functional knowledge which is required in this economy, the more successful we would be as a, I would say, human beings, as a country, or as a nation. Thank you.